What's going on, guys? Teach from Duke City Kicks here, coming at you guys with yet another video. Today what I have here is going to be an unboxing and review of a couple products sent to me from a company called the Hat Pal. Basically, the Hat Pal is a company that makes a mobile cap holder for at home and on the go use. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at all the products that they sent me. Alright guys, first things first, I'm going to be taking out the companion, and as you guys can see right away, this is some very minimalistic packaging, and what I like about it is that they give a quick description on the back of what's included for each product. The same goes for the home spot. As you guys can see, there's going to be two magnetic hat holders that come with this, and again, same type of packaging with a quick description of what's included for each and every product. Alright guys, now we have the magnetic hat holder, which is good for any type of fitted hat, and we also have the Silicone Band, which is great for snapback hats. Alright guys, the first product we're going to be looking at is the companion. Now straight away at the box, what we get is this little sleeve, and this sleeve will be including a couple things. The first thing you're going to be seeing is the pamphlet along with the cool little sticker that Hat Pal includes, which I think is an awesome little feature. But in the pamphlet, as you guys can see, it's going to go over the products that they have, including the product which is the companion, and a quick little warning / disclaimer with a QR code that you can scan. Now in the box, as you guys can see, what is included is the companion, the brick on the right, and then the quick attach and release band. Now you'll see that the band and the companion are both really nice because the magnets are just perfect. They're not too strong but not too weak at the same time. Alright guys, the next thing I'm going to be unboxing is the home spot, and the home spot comes with the same thing, some instructions as well as some stickers. And in this case, you will get two home spots, and at first glance they are very small, and I like that because when you go to hang up hats on the walls, you don't want this big item. You want something that's small and sleek. And what's nice is that these also include 3M tape, so it makes for easy installation and easy removal. I will note that these magnets are extremely strong, so make sure you don't pinch yourself in the meantime. Alright guys, the next thing I'm going to be unboxing is these magnetic strips, and as you guys can see, it includes two very thin strips, and what I like is that they have the little clip that allows you to put it into the back of your fitted hat. What I also like is that these are extremely thin, so you won't be able to notice them when you have them in the back of your hat when they're in the sweatband, which is really nice. Alright, the last thing I'm going to be unboxing is the silicone band, and these come in black and white, and these are what go on the back of your snapback hats. Alright guys, I have a snapback hat here, and I'm going to show you guys how to put it on. So all you got to do is take your silicone band and undo the snapback on the back of your hat. You're going to slide the silicone band to the back of the hat, and then you're going to go ahead and take the other part and connect it. Once you do, you're going to have to adjust it a little bit just to make sure that both parts of the silicone band are there, and boom, you're there and it's ready to go. Alright guys, I'm going to show you guys how to set up the metal clip for a fitted hat. It's quite simple. Go ahead and locate the back sweatband of your hat and take a metal clip. Doing this carefully, make sure you undo the clip and then go ahead and reinsert it to the back sweatband of your hat. Apply firm pressure to make sure it closes, and you're good to go. Now the rest of these videos are going to be me showing you guys how I use the companion and the home spot for my everyday use. Enjoy. Alright guys, so my final thoughts on these products is that they're absolutely amazing. There's just so many endless options for these, including the companion where you can take it anywhere, put it on any type of sports bag, you could hang it up in your car, put it on your keychains, put it on a chain link fence. I mean, the options are absolutely endless. The same goes for the home spot. What I like about it is that it's small and it's very minimal on the wall that you kind of just forget about it. And what's nice is that the magnets are the perfect strength because you don't feel like you're having to yank these off the wall or yank these off the companion. So that's an extra plus. So overall, I recommend these to any hat lovers out there who are looking for a convenient option to store their hats, whether it's on the go or at home. I would like to say a huge thank you to the Hat Pal for giving me the opportunity to unbox and review their amazing product. Again, they will have a Kickstarter starting March 7th, 2021, and I will leave all their information down below, their social media and the link to their project. I would appreciate if you guys would check them out and support their Kickstarter, as I think they have an amazing product, and I hope to see this launch into something big. So without further ado, that's going to be it for me, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content coming in the near future. This is T signing out. Peace.